I'm Rakesh. I'm from oma225. Now we are going to do auscultation of art.
Okay, start first point name. First point name.
Metal wall.
Okay, where located?
Is located fifth intercostal space.
Uh-huh.
Mid cleveral line.
Uh-huh.
Inside 1.5 centimeters.
Okay,
Now going.
listen. No, find. Next point. Listening, next point.
This point is I have to wall. It is right side, second intercostal space.
Listen.
Parasternal.
Sternalis line. Okay. Listen, put your fundoscope membrane. Next point.
Left intercostal second second intercostal space, paracentral space. Pulmonary wall is located.
Okay.
Now we are going to it.
Knee is the sternum. Put this is sternum. Yes.
Yeah, sternum.
You need putting knee.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Next point. Next point name.
Tricuspid.
Tricuspid valve point. Where you standing?
Third process.
Of the sternum. Okay, put.
Sternum.
Next point.
Next is X point.
Erbs
It's
point.
located third intercostal space.
Third intercostal space. Left side or right side?
Left side.
Okay, find left side. Where? Put first intercostal, second, third. And go knee is the sternum.
Yeah.
Okay.